We were chasing opportunity from the very beginning. From the time our ancestors emerged from the jungle, we chased a better future for our culture, for our community, and for our families. We chased it to the edges of Africa, into the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and Asia, making homes for ourselves wherever we went. In each new home, from Persia to the Pamir Mountains, from the Indian shores to the deserts and grasslands of the steppe, a unique civilization bloomed. We adapted to the landscape and learned how to use the resources there to feed ourselves, to make tools, and express ourselves. We created new art forms, new beliefs, and new ways of thinking. Cultures developed, leaders emerged, and civilizations formed. As we developed, we didn't settle. We kept seeking opportunity, a better future for our people. We traded resources and also fought over them. Boundaries were pushed, dynasties and empires rose and shifted. And then, something else shifted. We started seeing others in a new way. They weren't barriers in the way of opportunity. They were the opportunity. We saw the remarkable techniques and technologies they had invented, the use and beauty of blown glass, the power of gunpowder and paper. We tasted and felt exotic goods, the spice of cinnamon and nutmeg, the smoothness of silk. We discovered that the world had more to offer than could be found within our borders. And so, rather than fighting, we focused on trade. It started small. One man returned home with tales of distant lands, connecting east and west for the first time. People were sent out to develop new, peaceful relationships. Under peace, trade expands. Military resources provide security rather than war. When goods are traded, more cash flows, and society grows more stable. Gradually, roads reached out, connecting distant destinations despite the dangers. Dry deserts, tough mountain passes, and the threat of bandits. Nomads knew the routes. They saw opportunity for themselves, turning a profit by guiding goods and merchants from place to place. But goods weren't the only thing flowing along new routes. Merchants, pilgrims, and refugees carried their ideas, beliefs, and languages with them. They mixed in markets and cities along the way, where tired travelers rested and refueled. The 1,000-year saga of these trade routes tells the original story of cultures connecting. It's a story of curiosity and discovery, of uncertainty and adventure. It's a story of risk and riches, of world-shaping exchanges of goods and ideas. This is their story and ours. This is the story of the Silk Road.